It's so hot. I'm literally sweating like a pig. It's so hot. Get yourself. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aishwarya. I hope all of you are staying home, staying safe, you know the drill. Anyway, today's video is gonna be about the Lakme Primer Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. I'm sure you guys must have seen this, heard this, seen so many videos on this. I'm doing this video so late is because I was trying to find my color, which is Warm 240, W240, and this was not available at all. Like every time I went to buy this, W240 was always out of stock, always. Tell me if you guys have also like faced this thing where one particular shade is always out of stock. So I could never buy it and never try it. So I finally found it and I tried it, and that's why I'm making this video now. Without any further ado, let's get started with the review of the Lakme Primer Matte Foundation. Perfect Cover Foundation, I'm sorry. So yeah, let's get started. So the MRP of this foundation is 475 rupees, but I got it for 299 rupees. I know that's a sweet deal. So this foundation is generally on a discount. Like if you keep checking it, you'll find it on a discount. Like sometimes 399, sometimes 299 if you're really lucky. But yeah, you get 25 ml of product for 475 rupees. General foundations are 30 ml and this is for 25 ml, so that's 5 ml less. But then I got it for 299, so I think it's a perfect deal. But I feel for 475 they should have given 30 ml, but that's what it is. It's 25 ml for 475 rupees. So try and buy this on a sale and you'll be like good to go. Now this foundation comes in a total of 16 shades. Now I know having 16 shades is not a big deal, but it is for Lakme because Lakme has always had 4 or 5, I don't even think 5, 3 or 4 shades in their foundation range, and all of them literally being the same color. Like even I could never find a match in Lakme foundation. So having 16 shades is a good thing. It shows that the brand is trying to, you know, improve and cater to all skin tones that India has. So yeah, 16 shades is not a big deal. You can have a lot of more shades. You need to have a lot of more shades, but I think for a start it's a good thing. They have a good variety from fairer skin tones to medium skin tones to some dark skin tones. I cannot promise that every dusky dark chocolate skin girl can find a color, but at least some can, which is a start. I am in the shade W240, Warm 240. So W stands for warm, so I'm in the shade W240. That is all about the shades. Now coming to the packaging, I really like the packaging. It's a really nice frosted bottle, really sturdy, really nice feeling. I really like the packaging, and it comes with a spatula, which is amazing. Like you can just apply it and not waste product, so that is really nice. And the typical Lakme rose gold color, I really like the packaging. Yeah, that's all about the packaging. Now we're gonna go on and try it, and I'm gonna see how it fares on my skin. Get started with the demo. So I'm gonna be using I'm going to be using a sponge on one side and a brush on the other side, because I generally use sponges with everything. I do not use a brush, but I'm sure that many people of you like using brushes, so that's why I thought why not add the demo with a brush and show you how it blends. So this is the PAC 265. It's ulta. This is the PAC 265 blending brush. It's a really good brush. It blends really nicely. Actually, I'm not that much of a brush person, but this is a good brush, and this is the Real Technique sponge. So I'm going to use this on this side and this on this side and show you how it fares. So we're going to apply it. I'm going to spread it with my fingers as I do generally. As you guys can see, it's so golden and yellow, which I love because you know I love a golden undertone. I'm really yellow. If you guys can see, I have a really yellow golden undertone. I'm going to now blend it with the sponge. This is the perfect match for me. Like I if you can see, it's just completely going off in my skin, and can you see how easily it's blending? And it's just disappearing into my skin, which I love. And I really did not expect this from Lakme. I really did not expect finding a perfect match in Lakme, and the fact that I got it, I'm just so happy. And it's affordable, it's good for everyday wear. Now this side is all blended. As you can see, it's seamlessly blended. This is the sponge side. Now I'm going to do the other side with the brush. I'm going to take it again. I really don't like using brushes on my face, but we're gonna do it. So it's definitely blending out really well, and the coverage with the brush is way more than the coverage with the sponge. That is generally with every foundation. The sponge takes away from the coverage a little bit, but I like how a sponge feels. But this is also looking really nice. Like the coverage is really good. This is the side with the sponge, and this is the side with the brush, and definitely the side with the brush has a way more coverage than the side with the sponge, and it's blending out really nicely. Don't forget your neck ever. Obviously this side looks a little bit more better because the coverage is more, and I don't have a pimple this side. Like this side has a really big pimple, but I still like a lighter coverage. If you like a more heavier coverage, use a brush because it gives a really nice full coverage finish, and I think the coverage is really nice. Wow. Like the moment there's this particular crow that comes to my house to eat. Yes, I know. That comes to eat from my house, like me and my mom give it food, and now it's asking for biscuits. Now that the crow is taken care of, I'm just gonna run my sponge all over the face to, pick up extra product, because I don't like having a lot of product on my skin. Just really nicely blend it once. But I really like how this is looking. I just had moisturized my face, no primer, nothing, because this is a primer matte foundation, and leaving the pimple, I feel it's completely covered my textures. It's not really my skin, the texture on my skin is not really visible, which is very nice. That is how my skin is looking. I think my skin is looking flawless. I really like this foundation. So yeah, that's the demo of the foundation. I think it looks really flawless. So my final thoughts on this foundation are, it's a really good foundation. If you have flawless skin and if you do not have marks, you can literally use it as a concealer under your eyes, cover up a little blemishes, and you'll be good to go. I think it's really pocket friendly, and if you find it on a sale or a discount, that's amazing. You can get it for $3.99 or $2.99, which is amazing. I think the shade range is kind of inclusive, can be better, but I think 16 shades is a good start. Stays on for 4 to 5 hours. I've never kept makeup on more than 5 hours. If you're thinking about the longevity of it, it stays really put for 5 hours. Generally, because Bombay is such a humid city, you need to like powder a little bit, under your eyes, near your upper lip area. I generally don't apply any foundation here because I sweat a lot there. In general, you need to powder your foundation a little bit, so that way it does get a little oily, but not really crazy oily. It's really good. If you're a beginner and if you're just starting out in makeup, I think you should try this foundation. You'll really like it. Is this AB approved? 110% it's AB approved. I really like this foundation. I have not reached out to any other foundation jab se I've started using this foundation. Whenever I apply a foundation, I apply this because it's not really cakey. Now, I would not suggest you to put a lot of it together because it can tend to get a little cakey. Try and have a medium coverage with this. Don't go for a really heavy coverage. If you're anywhere near me, NC40, NC42, W240 will be a good match for you. So yeah, that's that for the video. I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to do any kind of a video, please mention it in the comments down below. Follow me on my socials. I'm super active there. And yeah, that's that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, I'm sure you like the videos that I do, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video, and I'm gonna catch you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye.